all to our play premiere before we start our show. Here's a brief safety announcement.
This again.
Please no glasses, coffee, or less snacking or drinking, humming, singing, standing, walking, talking, or smoking, and please turn off all cellular devices other than videotaping. Thank you. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to the play premiere of Jennifer plus Steve equals Jennifer. Thank you.
I ship it. I ship it so hard. Say your line.
Okay, pause.
Go.
Hi, I'm Steve and I cook. I said moved here from Traverse City.
We heard her.
Where do you play tennis?
I'm Jennifer Graham. I play tennis at a great place over yonder.
Where'd you do that? Can I have your digits, please?
248 470 6251. Great.
It's a Barbie phone. Wait, why does she have a button in her hair? She's a dude.
Nice car.
Scene change.
Mom's gonna die.
Can I have your digits?
Did you actually like say that to her? Though?
No.
You're like, can I have your digits?
I didn't even ask her out. I just said, let's go play tennis sometime.
And then you met each other there, and then you gave each other your numbers.
Listen.
We changed the story a tad bit.
That's fine.
Okay.
It's based on a true story.
Bring, bring. Bring, bring.
Hello?
Hi, Steve. It's Jennifer. I was wondering if you wanted to come play doubles with me and some friends.
Sure, I'll be there.
Great. Sweet ride. I'm glad you could make it.
Wait,
Want to go dinner tonight?
I would love to. Thank you. Scene change.
this is really funny because Delaney's like shorter than Keely, and I feel like Natalie should be dad. She's, and then Delaney can be you, mom, because you know
I can't see anything.
she's shorter. It's all about the height. Natalie and dad. What the heck? Are you almost done, or do I have time to go change into my pajama pants?
We're almost done.
No, like with the scene change.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they're not even doing anything.
Oh my gosh.
Thanks for dinner. It was really good.
No problem.
Oh my gosh, I have to go. I'm so sorry. Bye, Steve. Thank you so much.
Bye.
It's seen.
They should have done this for you.
Yay! Woo!